Ebusian for aha Ghana Send TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you can. Ebusian for say the NING tum say yeah Minister of Lands. Now Minister of Lands no and Natural Resources no. And yen papa yen name say no Debbie and yeah ama Kofi Boa de oye lim dak. Beye cry yen fan Ministry of Science and Technology. Science and Technology and Sanitation ebia. Because the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources say there none other than Honorable Ibrahim Mahama. Yeah. Ibrahim Mahama. President Niano. On name say Ghana say on a Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. Ebusianfo say Ibrahim Mahama enye Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. Kindly explain to me how say say nipa order Ghana aluminium ni nyina enim Ibrahim Mahama lawyer. Ibrahim Mahama lawyer and John Mahama appointing you say mine when nyina aluminium ni boss site no on order any as managing director. Nipa order kind of saying Ghana yes sika koko gold in name no Sami Jenfi Ibrahim Mahama boy. Now large scale gold black water gold no you see Ibrahim Mahama there. Now another concession also na nkofo bebre na BDA no they say from what we are seeing no ya G ade my Ibrahim Mahama nko. Other appointments nso when you listen to this expose by Movement TV ubehu et ye ka say Ibrahim Mahama say onu na Minister of Lands and Natural Resources any mean chindie kra say so there na ka say friends and family no and can cry you say they are brothers penny no woman penny kakra no they say onu Minister of Lands omu di your mind on minusika anyway anyhow omu chiche afina yebe hu say cabal bi wo ho angasa mafia bi wo ho afina yebe hu afi na yedi yeni ebe hu and this for chire Ghana for say papa anya hwia na boni so nya hwi say papa anya hwia boni so nya hwi and that is a lesson and this for chire Ghana for say it was for let's go and listen to the full list of Nkrofo omo ben Ibrahim Mahama John Mahama mo appointment ye mineral sector say gramati say mineral commission boss no kra no ono so sa deputy kind of saying deputy mineral commission boss no ono so ye adwuma wo Ibrahim Mahama company musa say na Ghana for pe say busiambaku Mahama busiano omunko na ombe over supervise the entire mineral resource of this country. Omufri ha omu call diamonds. So you just wait for them. They implement it. Say 8 years our mutina opposition. Omu di implement. Omu di make it plans. It's our plans no and omu ado one after the other. Enti yenya hu hwie. Omai no yenya hu hwie. Ento yebo ne hu ne ebe see in the coming aka 2 years 9 months. Enhwe se nyame amboa na MPP win 2028 election na se nyame amboa ya and Ghana de ombeton Ghana. Let's go and listen to Movement TV before the negotiation for your studio no e pa mucho mboa ya why na ban na screen na say e da munyi na say I'll see the next one. Cheers.
True. Now we be say the basis and say ne bra ba ye ebe president just a year waje mining concessions akese mienu black voter for the back consumer resources for the back ena da man edie isusu no Ibrahim Mahama waje na enu enye enough the intricacies no mu no ene omoka wasem enim. There is a company Kufuor Netiye, the friend Ghana Integrated Aluminium Development Corporation, twa ne tia friend no Giadec na sa Giadec yi Akufo Addo tie say enye company ebetu bauxite adani ani no oil aluminium in fact that company no ebe here in existence abria Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eko China eko sign the Sino Hydro deal and as part of the deal no Ghana can say or verify the bauxite no iron aluminium na all the ama China for and no na may establish Giadec na minority raising issue say Giadec no see wo da no ene e fe no eye twumasi ankra na twumasi ankra no also Addo Mahama Ibrahim Mahama lawyer Ibrahim Mahama the personal lawyer and your friend twumasi ankra yi na ene one bra abaya ape odina kwakoshe Giadec wo mon kan so say Ibrahim Mahama e wo interest e wo bauxite mu nyina hindi na nkokwa akofa ne bra de ma no na MPP aban egie nti odina kwakoshe ho eno nya enough no wasan de ora bia ye say friend no Augustus Agboli Amegashi Augustus Agboli Amegashi ono so board member e wo Giadec o na sa papa yi ye so a consultant Emma Ibrahim Mahama mining company ye friend say Estin Cubic sa mining company no omo na na nkomo kwakofa ina hin bauxite ina hin bauxite reserve na Simon Semensa no mampre no ye so ono so na kwakoye ye board member e wo ho we are no Minerals Commissioner Deputy CEO Edema Minerals Commission in charge of local content and Mamifia the post ni or yeah Deputy CEO in charge of local content and mineral titles your friend Victoria Awuni and also there's a group manager EMP and or sans and I make us say or sign a board member and so Giadec in the Giadec one say Ibrahim Mahama and nipa bear for board members too and a CEO no and our Minerals Commission also Deputy CEO no so no Ibrahim Mahama the former worker afei Sami Jamfi Gold Board CEO na kasa ono so obi anim say Estin Cubic Ibrahim Mahama company na nke kwakofa da my gold mine no na ono ene kasama for the mahomo enti deda ba kromo anyina Estin Cubic nyina na Ibrahim Sami Jamfi ena na yi ano obi anim kromo ase Sami Jamfi Ibrahim Mahama ene John Mahama darling boy chono na Gold Board no so no isi a yedena kwakoto again ekrofo so draw a long-standing relationship between a Minerals Income Investment Fund, a CEO no, and Ibrahim Mahama. So in papa and the minority for now, in Papa way. Now, Momo say on a long-standing relationship. And I'd not show again. Nanka Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and the oversight on a Kani PMMC Nabe Gold Body. Ya yidi free ho. At the office of the president was saying now so ministry no any oversight was a Gold Board in say to Ebium. To my not to say what national share appointment Mampani Mahama ye ni dinya what it tells they say and gold mining issues all Ghana in idea I any gold who some there is controlled by Ibrahim Mahama. Na when you shall say Abra Ninuya ebeye president. Enti ene Gold Board any the sole company etimi eto gold Ghana ha export good e Ghana ha bia Gold Board CEO no Ibrahim Mahama kola o Minerals Commissioner Deputy CEO no Ibrahim Mahama former worker o Giadec Deputy CEO no CEO na kasa no Ibrahim Mahama personal lawyer ansana omo board members omo kaka nyina Ibrahim Mahama enkrofo ne wo mu ena ene ono so age my sakasemi no to minority we say we raise a serious issue of conflict of interest any state capture now we and yes state capture okay we state capture promise we a state capture promise can you imagine say Akufo Addo wa bemu nanka gabio chida konom gabio chida konkrofo we wa ha in fact in ikrofo be ye adwuma e wo Dankwa Institute and a munyanya peripheral appointment Akufo Addo bemu and no crowd the Dankwa de ye Sami Jamfi press conference what the Akufo nko ade a ese Akufo Addo nua no what the Dankwa Akufo Addo busuani no what the Adope Akufo Addo busuani no and say business allegations now NDC aba bemu Emma and Mampani Mahama ni nua Ibrahim Mahama na dwuma yefo and yesi wa appoint yomo e de akogu various mining sector no enti ba bia abefa bia no one share engineers and planners are ube share Estin Cubic. One share engineers and planners are ube share Estin Cubic. Now, I raise issues of conflict of interest. Baby. Now, in the coming days, no, I buy a beba after John Mahama buying no. Ghana bad. Ghana bad pa because Sausha Kwanya DC for Eddie Chema to me air fast one. Now you can only hope Senyakupon M1 na omeni pankwa na omeni pahodin na NPP and some mrabem dim. Such a maun to me bonny away and say, Wakwaji asase, say Obabe ye last scale mining. Na onya share mining ase, na Crawford kwasa so ekwe galamsi. Na wakwe police report, say police inform Crawford masasa so galamsi. Na ene, yedna kujina court, say the bonny away and say, was subleti asase no the man Crawford some fire galamsi. Ni a friend nipa no court, ni ebisa wouldn't him tell maun to me, or me hunida. Or the assassin myself a quaker, or say Annie, crater to Sodoma way, or say crater be any ho, or dance away, or say dance be any ho, none of the catcher me say, men conco to a goodie. A goodie I would to know, what 2 year, Oban is Canibiana, or say there be one of this canamano, or Simiana Mefa, and she has such a mount to me, any na court, no me sans Simiano. Oh, with the determination say, you better see a channel where power lies. Enti onipa desania oye chema wuntu manager no ne yakwa kohuna no hey masa ye do betumo wuntu mpese ye do betumo dia brabedi adanse eti a chema wuntu ne fa ahoncho na eku okonso se a obedi adanse e de eti a chema wuntu because so sa aban ne betum and waka say bi chema wuntu kra doesn't know where the concession lies because on the bibia but aban say hey oh dear ye do ho becho because wuntu ne ye target ye pese ye ne tum ti brabedi adanse na yemfa wuntumi enkoto afiase enti wo hwa saa niema wuntumi efami ene oyaw a wuntumi yerenamui ene ya freeze na account nyina ya freeze ni mobile money account initially ya kan enkrofo nim se yeboa onto se na anu kwafere so fusu kwa chiko kan TV3 na enkrofo mu se eye no kre ya freeze chema wuntumi ne ntade na ohye enti mu hu se biribi etwafe chema wuntumi ohye la course nketenkete because aban e freeze ne ntade nyina na mi na adon for adaruma ya mo asa pempam bia mana ma hu so ohye ba ku bia asa agbada bia ode ko ne campaign abade ne sat chema wuntumi ne bibia so ne cars akese be edunum 15 ne nyina aban age cars no apake ema cars ne guo ebesine na in the coming days no in the coming weeks, in the coming months, in the coming years, enche kra said the nantwie podia anche on the pemuno enka confonsem enche kra NDC aban be co-position na co-position na Ghana be woso NDC aban co-position na Ghana million be mewa and you know you see how there send a minority no ekano I'm say all the sectors of Ghana has ya mine nyina no in fact we kwa ni pa yehu na what it means they say hey baby kra woman ye nyehu ye enti almost we a state capture promax eno na abasu Fred aswe ne godon bra na fe yinwura ensem no mu na emfa emuchiremu emfa mra enti no nyankopon eya adom a yenim se chema wuntumi onwu nyambe na adom obeka na koma ama bibia aye kama enya de chema wuntumi bewu na obetena se na MPP nso beba ban mu na MPP ba ban mu a bibia contract bia ne bibia na bia no ye ba hwehwem na afi de enya safi ese afi enya tse afi twemu no dabi afi enya safi twemu kra because yes kokra man fere so besu ohini so a won fere so de asawa betar so nti se eto ene NDC ade omode ye chema wuntumi you can clearly see say the state ena ashada bonu tirimu po se kwan bia so no ye ne chema wuntumi ebedi odifo odibimu ye ne bedi afen na Ibrahim Mahama ebe ka che Ghana for say NDC for to galam say ni bi yenim You don't have to tell us. Yenim send this for to be because sabe kwasia onim hwekura no dokro asehye onum sa ben. Kwasia onim hwekura no dokro asehye a onum sa ben. Enti yenim hwekura no Attorney General Dominic Ayeni ababe boy amane say NDC National Vice Chairman any NDC National Organizer omutu galamsey. Yenim kura yenim say our win. Na nanom atwa our win for asu. Yenim say ye twa our win MP no ye twa na su. Because ohe galamsey. Enti afa na mampani Mahama wada nyane. Afa na nsu atwate amwa hunu say NDC for galamsey. Na NDC National Organizer etimi galamsey. National Vice Chairman etimi galamsey. MP etimi galamsey. Regional Executives constituency for ministers etimi galamsey. Ba mo de yente wo mo. Na wi a abebo chairman untumi kwadu. Me say ebre bi beba Ghana ha say ya. Ghana bed de. Begin ye kwaku dawru. We a movement in the morning. Dasebre.
Dewro.
Dasebre.
Dewro.
Dasebre.
Dewro.
Ade komodo ana.
Madidi. Semba ma plantain chips.
Na plantain say e komodo waka.
E come de bidi me.
Me nkope ayi ma.
E come de bidi
me. Me nko hunu gari bi ma.
So be do gari di ade.
Nko hunu gari ma.
Gari di ade.
Na de gari na ka opede na edi.
Gari kura wayi. Ayi di bre mi kura. What's the problem? Because I'm into me.
Na ka opede na edi. Godo ma chi.
Ye na menua.
Na bua boko de.
Nyame adom ahoden e wo ho.
Ere nyankopon ase.
Ahoden wo ho.
Ere nyankopon ase. Nti no yaba.
Yaba.
Didwamu nso aba.
Yaba de de yaba.
Nti moma yinkum na fe. Yinwura nsem.
Yabeda nyame ase se nadmara kwa na no penso yatumi abeduru ha. Ya hwefo ni yetifo nyina. The battle is still the loss. So everything is possible. Nti nyame nti ebeyi. Unu aba vex me kan kire me so chia ma no pe me bo frame. Victoria Donko of US.
Ejine so pa.
Ensema wakan nyina ne tintini tete ya de me famua ne ansemu a ma na otinaka. De ona ba pratum elidi omo kan. Se de and your family and friends you. We your brothers. Simple. They say the abano
brothers one.
Brothers
nso ye nyu ekuo bi anom to nyumo.
They say kwa brothers. They say Ibrahim Mahama o na ebu man no fa. Na Addo Mahama nso bu fa. Because
and oil lance minister na.
Minister.
Lance and natural resources
minister.
Oh, I see.
And you know say ye minerals in the own control. Ibrahim Mahama the control. Because the dia bobo ye nyina dia dance say. Mining sector ne de. Your Mahama are really the amani nua be ma Ibrahim Mahama. Enti bibia fa gudie hu de. Che Mahama Ibrahim ka se we mempe. O ka so penko ade ane o di ni san de kwa be fa so ade afiri wonsem de ma Ibrahim Mahama de be gia diama no. Ami na ekoso. Enti ye boro Addo Mahama no a wesa. Se wonu de ontimi nwie scan mi ehunu nka. Enti o ma ni nua Ibrahim awiama no. Ene woni etwa no ho ahia no ewiama no same jamfimo. Randi abimo. Ena Addo Mahama do masisi ho. Ene ba ko o GMPC ni woni okeka ho. Se omu nwie scan ma no na okọ ahomgie ma wakodi. And wo mu nsu de omu wi ankasa. Pa akwa mo fa so wi sika ne de e yon presidented. Enu be bia ha. NDC gold am ko tun am so ma boka 214 million mboa. Am mbo kaka pre bia Ghana for ene ne makoten gold aboka sika ro mo de akosie. No makoche o ma de edi. Because Ghana mo ka si aboka obi enfi enka hwe. Enti akoton gold aboka eno anu ne yawie. Addo Mahama ne NDC ponton gold bi amoka. Omboa. Yeti ho yesi akoton ya gold ya Ghana won yakoton 18 hwane o man twa mo bia gold no wo mo ho wo mo se gold no bo be yedin anom se sai no mo kogu ba bi na akire mo sa beton amaye no mo de abaji ekonko akire konko na enya hwe chema wuntumi onyame bedi na sema ma no se wo ye Ghana ni a wo ye nokwafo na wusuro nyame a won kase ntia chema wuntumi na wunya Addo Mahama ni NDC fo wo ye Ghana ni a wusuro nyame won kase ntia chema wuntumi na wunya Addo Mahama ani NDC fo because chema wache chema wuntumi mo so ye galamsi enne John Mahama baba tu na nimu tie se me nkrofo galamsey ndu nkrofo galamsey ntie nye dey na Manase Azuri akotwere ai president bi twemu a o kasa ne nkrofo galamsey a no no abe defend wo no mo na ebra na manfo kasa MPP for galamsey no na do be defend e chairman wontumi so onye galamsey ene enya president papa ono de watimi akase ne nkrofo galamsey no abetwere owi na Erasus Asadonko abe comment an me ye expose fa wontumi ho na manfo MPP fo o mate agumi so ene nya na Mahama beka bi wonu ye no ho na ye papa you see ame me comment ka kire o mo se mo nim na agu asa o man ayi Erasus ebra na MPP wo ho a na so ye expose awo mining sector how no na se galamsey no ho na threaten life da NDC ba ya wo
ko ka do craft friend man no the award good yeah the state of the hwan award for voter yes the man
so wo yaduma papa
yes
na no NDC for ba ko kan ba ko wo so wo mu hunu so meku enya wo baka se John Mahama na obi na no kan se ne nkro for galamsey no oyese na Kufuado na wo fight galamsey na Kufuado se galamsey no ene ne be koso ne presidency kura no de beto no fight galamsey na John Mahama na makire kan kire woni etu galamsey se mo to aba ma me na me ba